Hey guys, welcome back to Rovitas. Well, I shop online so much that I had to shoot a haul video. Well, let's get started. This golden metal pot is from Ecofind. It's plain and classy with very good quality. Well, links for all these products have been mentioned in the description box below. So I have hung this pot in a macrame hanger, which is also from Ecofind. This cotton hanger is very nicely and strongly tied up from top to bottom. This whole arrangement is attached to a wall bracket, which I bought a year ago. It was a set of two, but I don't have the link for exact item, so I have mentioned the links for similar items below. This Om wind chime is from Tej Gifts. It has a very light but soothing sound. And I just love this welcome wooden signboard by Shraddha Saburi Artwork. It's a thin MDF board with font written in black foam. The finishing is really perfect, plus you can decorate it in many ways to enhance your front door aesthetics. This is steel grid or notice board or photo board, whatever you call it. It's from Pixify and it came along with 5 really cute pins. It was originally black in color, so I sprayed a single layer of white, but I think I need to spray it once more to get that nice finish. So as I'm living in a rented apartment, I wanted some glamour in my kitchen. This light strip is from Gesto. It comes with a driver adapter. You just need to connect the power supply wires to the input side and the LED strip on the output side. Well, don't have a setback, it's nothing technical. You just need a meter of wire and a plug, and it's quite easy. Just give it a try. I also got this stick to the wall mirror, which is from IKEA. It's so cute, not at all sharp on the edges, and you can stick it anywhere, like in your kitchen, inside your almirah, washrooms. You can even stick one below the other to get a long mirror arrangement. This golden metal table planter is from Maplecraft. Simple, sturdy, with proper finishings. I came across these panel paintings when I was searching for something minimal in grey, white and black kinda colors. These are textured prints without any frame, and there was a double-sided tape attached at the back. These are very light in weight and the finishing is really smooth till the edges. You might have seen this Om mirror sticker from Dakshita Decor and ceramic knobs from Casa Decor in my temple renovation video. These knobs came in a set of 6, out of which one was slightly cracked, but the design and quality were really nice, so I didn't return them. Well, the key to online shopping is if you are not buying stuff from trusted brands or trusted platforms, just read carefully the return and replacement policies. Buy the products which can be easily returned within a few days. Subscribe to our channel for many more amazing videos and feel free to write your queries in the comment section. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.